Jeg synes, det er genialt, fordi om 30 år, altså det er jo en investering i øl til om 30 år, for eksempel, fordi der ikke altså
The reason why we make this Pilsner beer is because about 4 years ago we converted into organic. So all our beers are organic today, and we thought it would be a great idea also to go into recyclable beer.